Hey guys, I was thinking of moving to Los Angeles, right? But I think there's too many faults.
Huh?
Get it? Like earthquake faults?
Thank you for watching. So please subscribe. Thank you. ありがとう。